Welcome back, y'all. We've got a fun video today. We're about to make 3 very easy Valentine's Day treats. I was getting ready to go outside and clean the chicken pen, but I forgot. Jacob went to town and he took my van, and the shavings that I just got for cleaning the chicken pen are in the back of the van. I ended up going to get them this morning instead of Titus and the boys, so yeah. I have to wait till he gets back now, so we're gonna go ahead and make our Valentine's Day treats. These are all very quick and very easy, so if you need some last minute ideas, this is for you.
I know how to whistle.
Yeah, you do know how to whistle. All right, Manly's helping me with the first one. We're making the Skillet sugar cookie. I just have the regular sized sugar cookie dough, not the value size, so I'm using my smaller skillet. We may have a little bit left over here. Here you go, just break up into pieces and put it in there.
Boom, I made it into a circle.
Yeah, you made a circle, put it in the skillet.
Okay.
So this is gonna be a Skillet sugar cookie. At first, we're just gonna put the sugar cookie dough in here and put it in the oven. When it gets done, it'll still be really soft, and we're gonna put make a heart shape out of chocolate candies. I looked for some Valentine's Day M&Ms.
Now, Mama.
Oh, we're not gonna put those on right now. I looked for some Valentine's Day themed M&Ms, but I couldn't find any, so we just have these. They're kind of like off-brand M&Ms, just little chocolate candies. They're purple and red. Now we just go around and press it down in the skillet, Manny.
Okay.
And the oven's ready for us, so as soon as we get it pressed in, we'll stick it in the oven. And it should just take about, since this is the smaller skillet and all, probably about maybe 20 to 25 minutes. I'll start checking it at around 20 minutes.
6 minutes.
All right, Manny, that's it. Now when it gets done, you can come back and help me put the M&Ms, well, the off-brand M&Ms on, okay?
Oh, I made the hint.
Okay, let's clean Manny's hands again.
Then we put these hearts on?
Yeah, you can put a heart on then after it gets done, okay?
Okay. Ew.
The next ones we're gonna call Brownie Love Cups. That's what we'll call those.
Oh yeah,
Brownie Love Cups. Sissy's gonna make the brownies. You make the brownies just like the box says.
Okay.
While she's making the brownies, I'm gonna make whipped cream. We're not gonna need it until the brownies get done, but I'm gonna go ahead and make it and get it in the refrigerator. You can also, of course, just use the canned squirt whipped cream or even Cool Whip. She needs 2 eggs, so, oh. She needs 2 eggs, so we're gonna use this double yolk that I just dropped. Okay, for the whipped cream, I'm just gonna pour some heavy cream into my mixer here. And I like to use regular sugar. A lot of people use powdered sugar, and you can use either one, powdered sugar or regular granulated sugar. So I'm just gonna put in about a cup of heavy cream. You know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this whole little jar here. What was left in this. You can never have too much whipped cream. Oh, I need to set a timer for that cookie. I'm gonna put about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And I'm gonna put a little bit of vanilla flavor, but if you wanted to, you could put almond extract and it would give it a little hint of cherry flavor, especially if you were gonna put cherries on top of these. We're gonna use strawberries, but if you're gonna do cherries instead of strawberries, it would be really good to put the almond extract in here, and even your whipped cream have a little bit of that cherry flavor. And that's it. We'll just let this whip up into whipped cream, and then we'll stick it in the refrigerator. Brownies are in the oven. Sugar cookie, I think it probably still has, I'm gonna set another 5-minute timer here. The time was almost up on the 20 minutes. We'll go about 5 more minutes. Jonah's coming in to help with the Rice Krispie treats. First we need to melt 5 tablespoons of butter. I'm making a little bit less than this recipe originally called for because I just have a 10-ounce bag of mini marshmallows instead of a 16-ounce bag. So we're doing just a little bit less. Here you go. I'm gonna cut it into some smaller pieces. So when the butter's melted, you're gonna put in this whole bag of marshmallows except for 1 cup. So grab a little measuring cup and we'll measure out 1 cup of them. We took out about 1 cup of the marshmallows. So when the butter melts, pour in all the rest of these marshmallows. How many teaspoons of vanilla does that say you need?
1.
1?
1.
Okay. We're gonna go with 5 cups of Rice Krispies instead of 6 since we don't have as many marshmallows. I thought I put a tablespoon of milk in my Rice Krispie treats. I'm pretty sure I did. In this video, I must not have because I don't have it on here. All right, so we sprayed the spatula with a little bit of cooking spray. That way when the marshmallows start to melt, they won't stick to it. Okay, I'm gonna put a little dash of milk, y'all, because I'm pretty sure I've always put a little splash of milk in my Rice Krispie treats. We're just gonna do a little drop. Boop, that'll be good. When the marshmallows completely melt, we're gonna remove it from the heat. All right, marshmallows are melted. Now we're gonna put in the vanilla. You need just a little less than a teaspoon. Okay, so we've got the vanilla in there. We're gonna put in 5 cups of Rice Krispies. And I'm gonna be getting out the big baking sheet. I'm gonna go with 4 cups just in case 5 might be too much. I'll see when he gets it all stirred together. And we also need to put in the rest of the marshmallows. Oh yeah, I think 4, I think that's gonna be plenty. And we're gonna put in a few of our chocolate candies here. Just gonna drop in a few here and there. And we also have gold sprinkles. Do you want to put the gold sprinkles too, or just the M&M candies?
Gold sprinkles.
Okay, there's those. Well, I'm sorry, they're not M&Ms. I'm just used to calling them that. They're off-brand. Here comes some gold sprinkles. Mix that all together. You're back. Your cookie's almost ready. All right, we're bringing this over to the baking sheet. These brownies are done. We're just gonna take this wooden spoon. It has a round bottom on the handle, and we're gonna press down into each little brownie cup. You don't have to press too hard, you just want a little bitty small. We're just gonna squirt the whipped cream in there. While Sissy's finishing up the brownies, I'm gonna go ahead and get the strawberries ready. We'll pull off the leaves and then take off just this little bit at the top. And we're gonna cut like we're cutting a V shape in the top, just like that. And then pull that part out. And we have heart-shaped strawberries. Cute. The ones with the pointy end work better. Let's do one of those. There we go, the pointy end ones look a little more heart-like. If you had some of those pine berry strawberries, you could have pink and red strawberries for these. All right, y'all, there we go. 3 very quick, very easy Valentine's Day treats. This is for if you want to get real fancy right here. I mean, look at him. That's fancy. Jonah added the finishing touches to his. That's great. You want to try brownie cup, Rice Krispie treat, or cookie? Cookie? All right, I knew you would go fancy.